Imagine this: you finally drift into deep sleep after a long day, only to be jolted awake by that familiar urge to go to the bathroom again. 2, 3 times a night. You might shrug it off as just getting older, but what if I told you that missing out on uninterrupted rest could be a warning sign, and that 3 simple nutrients could be the key to reclaiming your nights? I'm Dr. Carter, a physician, and aging well researcher, and today we'll explore how vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin C play starring roles in bladder control. Stick around, because later I'll share a real story of a 68-year-old retiree who went from nightly disruptions to blissful sleep without invasive procedures or risky medications. Let's get started. Vitamin D, the sunshine protector of your bladder. 1. Why vitamin D matters. Many of us know vitamin D is the bone builder and immune booster, but it also directly influences bladder function. Specialized vitamin D receptors line the bladder wall, and when levels dip, these receptors falter, triggering sudden urges and weaker muscle control. According to the National Institute on Aging, nearly 40% of adults over 60 have insufficient vitamin D levels, with even higher rates in those who rarely venture outdoors or live at higher latitudes. 2. Bladder muscles and pelvic floor. Your pelvic floor muscles act like a safety lock on your bladder. Vitamin D supports muscle strength by facilitating calcium uptake. Without it, these muscles tire easily, making it harder to hold urine through the night. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Urology found that older adults with low vitamin D experienced 35% more nighttime bathroom trips than those with optimal levels. 3 signs you may be low. Persistent muscle aches or weakness. Bone or joint discomfort. Mood changes, fatigue, mild depression. Frequent colds or infections. If these ring true, it's worth checking your 25-hydroxyvitamin D blood level with your physician. 4. How to raise vitamin D safely. Sunlight. Aim for 15-20 minutes of midday sun on arms and legs, 2 to 3 times per week. Adjust for skin tone and sunscreen use. Diet. Incorporate fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, egg yolks, fortified milk, or plant beverages, and cereals. Supplements. Adults over 60 often benefit from 800, 1,000 IU daily. Under a doctor's guidance, higher therapeutic doses can correct a significant deficiency. Example: Mr. Schmidt, a 68-year-old engineer in Munich, noticed he was waking 4 times per night. After his doctor found a vitamin D level of 18 ng/ml, normal 30-50 ng/ml, he began 50,000 IU weekly for 8 weeks and daily 1,000 IU thereafter. Within a month, his Nocturia episodes dropped from 4 to 1 per night, and he felt more energetic by day. Magnesium, the natural muscle relaxant. 1. The magnesium bladder connection. Magnesium is crucial for muscle relaxation and nerve signaling. In bladder smooth muscle cells, adequate magnesium calms overstimulation, preventing spasms that force you to make a run for it at bedtime. The NIH estimates up to 50% of adults fall short of the recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for magnesium. 2. Deficiency signals. Nighttime muscle cramps or twitches. Anxiety or racing thoughts. Difficulty falling asleep. Constipation or digestive irregularity. If you're nodding along, magnesium could be your missing piece. 3 dietary sources versus supplements. Foods: leafy greens, spinach, kale, nuts and seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds, whole grains, brown rice, oats, legumes, and dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa. Supplements: forms like magnesium glycinate or citrate, 200, 400 mg elemental, taken 30-60 minutes before bed can optimize absorption and promote relaxation. Avoid magnesium oxide, which is poorly absorbed and can cause loose stools. 4 bedtime routine for bladder peas. Take your magnesium supplement with a small snack or glass of water. Steer clear of caffeine or alcohol after 6 p.m., as both irritate the bladder. Incorporate 5 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing or gentle yoga to calm the nervous system. Example: in Cleveland, Ohio, Ms. Lopez, age 72, a retired teacher, was averaging 3 bathroom trips nightly. She started drinking a magnesium-rich smoothie, spinach, banana, almond butter, at 7 p.m. and took a 300 mg magnesium glycinate pill at 9 p.m. Within 2 weeks, evening awakenings dropped to 1 per night, and she began sleeping straight through. Vitamin C, fighting inflammation and strengthening bladder walls. 1. Inflammation and nocturia. Chronic inflammation of the bladder lining sends false empty signals to your brain. Vitamin C's potent antioxidant action calms inflammatory pathways, while its role in collagen synthesis helps maintain the bladder's structural integrity. Collagen makes your bladder wall elastic yet strong. Without adequate vitamin C, rapid collagen loss, common after age 60, weakens this critical organ. 2. Beyond the immune boost. While many reach for vitamin C to fight colds, studies from the Cleveland Clinic demonstrate that anti-inflammatory doses, 500, 1,000 mg daily, can reduce urinary urgency by 25% in older adults. 3. Top vitamin C foods and dosage. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Vegetables: bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale. Supplements: ascorbic acid, 500 mg twice daily, or natural extracts, acerola cherry, for enhanced absorption. 4. Caution and balance. Stay under 2,000 mg/day to avoid stomach upset or kidney stone risk. People with a history of kidney stones should consult their healthcare provider. Example: in Barcelona, Spain, retired postman Jose Garcia, aged 70, struggled with constant nighttime irritation. After adding 2 servings of red bell pepper salad and daily 500 mg vitamin C supplement, he reported a 50% reduction in nighttime urges within 3 weeks, plus brighter morning mood and fewer colds. Nocturia may feel like an unavoidable nuisance of aging, but it often points to correctable nutrient gaps. By ensuring healthy levels of vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin C through smart sun exposure, targeted diet, and simple supplements, you give your bladder the support it needs to hold steady through the night. Start with a quick blood test. Adjust your meals to include fatty fish, leafy greens, citrus fruits, and consider evening magnesium. In just a few weeks, you could transform those repeated wake ups into uninterrupted, restorative sleep. For personalized guidance, talk to your healthcare provider about testing your levels. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe for more practical insights on healthy aging. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's build a community of seniors who sleep soundly and live vibrantly. References and further reading. National Institute on Aging, Vitamin D and Aging. Journal of Urology, 2023. Vitamin D receptors in bladder function study. German Society of Urology Case Report, 2024. National Institutes of Health, Magnesium Fact Sheet. Cleveland Clinic Patient Story Collection, 2023. Cleveland Clinic Health Essentials, Vitamin C and Bladder Health. Journal of Nutritional Gerontology, 2022. Vitamin C supplementation in older adults.